Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 3 minus 2, then times 2 minus 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. 3 minus 2 is just 1. So, 1 times these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have 2 minus 3, which equals negative 1. 1 times negative 1 equals negative 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, not this subtraction. After this parentheses, we have to do this multiplication, and finally we have to do this subtraction. Okay? So first, this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 2 minus 3, which equals negative 1. So we have 3 minus 2, then times negative 1. No, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So no, we have to do this multiplication. 2 times negative 1 gives us negative 2. So we have 3 minus negative 2. Instead of minus negative 2, we can write plus 2. Okay, so we have just 3 plus 2 because negative 1 times negative 1 gives us plus 1. So 3 plus 2, which equals 5. Okay, so therefore our final answer to this problem is just 5. The correct answer is 5.